Hi there. I am a home owner who recently has just sold their house and has worked closely with Nina from ISO Design. And I have been messaging her to ask where we can leave a reference. So I'm pleased to have the opportunity to do this online video. But I can honestly say working with this company has been so seamless and so easy. Nina has provided us with the answers to questions we didn't even know we had. And then when the questions came up, we already had a response available either through text or for email. She was incredible to be able to get a hold of. Correspondence was always quick, text or email. If we had any questions about even a product, she would send us a picture that we could go shopping for. I can honestly say, as I sat back and watched them work, it was an amazing process and something wonderful to go through, which I don't think many people say about selling a house. So pleased to work with this company, with Nina directly, and would highly recommend her for any of your moving needs.